For this installation, you will need the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a voltmeter, and wire strippers. Turn the power off from the circuit breaker for this switch. Remove the existing wall plate. Unscrew the existing light switch. Pull the switch out of the wall. Double check that the power is off with a non-contact voltage tester. If there are no other wires in the box, there is no neutral wire. You cannot use this switch here. Do not proceed any further. If there are white wires in the box, those are the neutral wires. Proceed to the next step. Carefully turn on the breaker for this switch. Using the voltmeter, check each terminal. When meter lights up, that is your hot wire. The other wire is the load. Turn off the power from the electrical panel, then label all the wires and proceed to the next step. Disconnect the existing wiring. If they're in poor condition, cut and strip the insulation for new wiring. You can connect a jumper wire between the neutral wires in the box and the neutral terminal on the dimmer, or insert both neutral wires into the terminal. Now insert the hot wire into the hot terminal on the back of the dimmer switch. Then insert the load wire into the load terminal on the dimmer. Now connect the ground wire to the ground terminal on the side of the device. Adjust the wires and place the smart dimmer into the wall. Screw on the wall plate. Turn on the circuit breaker. Lastly, slide air gap switch to the right. Navigate to the Devices tab and click Add Device or the plus button. Select the device type In-Wall Dimmer. When prompted to power on the device and confirm, press the bottom paddle 5 times and hold the 6th time for 5 to 15 seconds until the blue LED blinks 3 times. On Easy Mode, when the LED starts blinking, press Confirm Indicator Rapidly Blinks. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted and click Confirm. After successfully adding the device, you can change the name of the device if desired. Now you can remotely control the device through the Top Greener app.
Alexa, turn on the kitchen.
Echo. Turn on dimmer switch.
Okay.
Echo. Set dimmer switch to 10%.
Okay.
Echo. Increase dimmer switch to 50%.
Okay.
Echo. Turn off dimmer switch.
Okay.
With Caseta by Lutron lighting controls, you can schedule your lights to come on every day at dusk and have them automatically adjust as the seasons change. So your family always comes home to a well-lit house. Upgrading your home simply and easily with Caseta Smart Dimmers means that lighting control is always at your fingertips. Hands-free voice control is just as easy as, "Alexa, turn on dinner time." And when it's time to wind down, there's no need to get up. Just set the scene. At the end of the day, when you've taken care of the things you value most, let Caseta get the lights.
Honey, did we get the lights downstairs? Alexa, turn on Good Night.
Okay.
Welcome home to peace of mind. Learn more at casetawireless.com.
Okay, now let's try to connect this smart dimmer switch. First we have to connect the wires. This one is the load line. This is the live line. This is the neutral line. This is the ground line. First we have to connect the live and neutral line for the switch itself. This is the power source. Connect the live line first. Then is the neutral line. This is the neutral line. For a neutral line we have to connect all of them together. With these two wires, the switch itself will work. We have to try the switch itself first. You see the indicator is on, then we can use it. At this moment there is no light come out for this night bulb. So we have to connect the load line first. Now let's connect the load line to the night bulb. Put them together. There is the ground line out of the box. You can connect this one with your ground line. Okay, turn on and dim the switch. Turn off the switch. Okay, now let's try to pair this switch with the Wi-Fi. First you have to install the Smart Life app. You can download it according to use the manual. Now first we have to make the switch to the pairing mode. You can press this button for 5 seconds. Then you will see the indicator blink very quickly. Then add it on the app from the all device. Let's choose wall switch, then we confirm indicator rapidly blink. Enter your password of your Wi-Fi. It will try to pair the switch to the Wi-Fi router. Generally this will take about 20 seconds. Okay, you can set the name, which one is very easy to remember. So at this moment, the switch can be controlled by your app. turn it on, turn it off, and we can dim it. Let's try echo. Echo, turn on living room. Echo, dim living room to 5%. Echo, turn off living room.